is kind, you is special, and you is important. Hey beautiful, it's Chantel bringing you some glamorous clean beauty because what you put on your skin hits your bloodstream in 26 seconds, so it better be good. Today I was inspired by some of those videos. I don't know if you've seen them, but they're called 0 to 100, like from just your normal self to full glam, and I like the concept of them, but I'm not a fan of referring to myself or to anybody else as a 0, so I wanted to make this a 100 to 1,000 video. I mean, God thinks so highly of you. He knitted you together in your mom's womb. He did a lot of work on you, so I would not refer to myself as a 0. So we're the 100 to 1,000 ladies here today. So I just wanted to let you know that you're special and you're already gorgeous, so you never think of yourself as a 0, and we're starting from 100 and enhancing that. Before we get into the video, I would like to ask you for your help again to get me the Sister of the Year award by checking out my sister Danny's webtoon if you have not already. I personally think her webtoon is very adorable and cute. If you like theater, if you like acting, if you like costumes, if you like a little drama, I think you'll absolutely love it. So go check that out after you watch this video. To start, I'm going to go into my RMS Beauty Uncover Up foundation in the shade 55, and I'm going to use this as my concealer because I've been tanning so much. So I'm going to swap this shade 55 for my 44, and I'm going to do kind of a similar technique to one of my previous videos where I tried following Artnail Armand's technique. If you haven't seen it before, I'll post it up here so you can check it out. But I really loved the full glam coverage that I got. I know you might be feeling a little down right now with the way things are going in the world, but I just wanted to come out here and to encourage and edify you and tell you that you're important and you're valuable and you're beautiful. Hugs and kisses through the camera. And in my last video, I was really nervous about doing a matte look with RMS because it's such a glowy, dewy, gorgeous foundation, but it mattified so well with my translucent powder. So I love how versatile it is. If you want a really glowy look, you could totally go for that. If you want to matte it down, she's there for you too. Oh, and if you've already checked out my sister's webtoon down below, please comment and let me know what you thought of it. That is so cool. This is my second time giving her a shout out, but please let me know what you thought of episode 1. Episode 2 is coming out soon. Maybe it'll be out by the time this video goes up. I don't know. But just please let me know what you think. Okay, mixing my two Lawless foundations together, Heat and Bronze. Have you tried Lawless's primer yet? I really want to try it. I've never had a primer before. I just think it's fascinating. She says it's to replace, like, you'll just do cleanse and tone and then go straight into the primer. It replaces your moisturizer and stuff like that. It just seems really cool. I want to try. Let me know if you have. We're looking tan and glowy. I'm going to go into my Honest Beauty Invisible Blurring Powder and do some baking. Alright, I'm back after starting one eye. I apologize, my neighbor's doing some construction. You know, we're all home, I'm sure you'll let it go, but I'm sorry about this noise. I'm going to go into my Lawless The One Palette. I'm going to start with the shade Steady. Can you see that? As my transition color. I think Steady is one of my favorite colors in the Lawless The One Palette. I just love it as a warm transition. It's just really pretty. I think Annie Lawless did a great job balancing the palette with cool and warm tone shadows. I think she did a great selection. If you have this palette, let me know down below which one your favorite shade is. It's hard to say. There's a lot of really cute ones. I really like, what is this? I like Shady and Infatuation down here. Got some glitter gold up here. Oops, sorry, don't mean to flash you, but it's just really pretty. I don't live in the pinky shades too much, but there's just so much warmth going on, and gold and bronze. I think it's awesome. Alrighty. I'm going to go into DTR, this brown shade down here. I still don't know what it means, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll figure it out one day. I'm just going to focus that color in the crease and blend it into steady. Now we're going to go into our Pacifica Cosmic Reflect palette, and I'm going to go into the color up here. It's called Magic Wand. There is quite a bit of a kickback in here, so just go at it very gingerly. It's a really pretty shade. It looks like a shimmer in the pan, but I find that when I apply it with a brush, the shimmer effect kind of dies down a little bit. We're just going to focus this out here on our outer V. And then with my finger, I'm going to go into the shade right here called Chocolate High. Pausing on the eyes, I'm going to go back in and buff away my baking and powder the rest of my face. I like how the warm shades go with my top. It's this pretty antique floral kind of thing. It's really cute. I'm going to go back to the eyes. I'm going to go into Steady and bring that down on the lower lash line. Gonna grab some more DTR. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Magic Wand and blend it down there. Going to take a little bit of Chocolate High on the lower lash line as well. And for the inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to go into the shade right here. It's called Crystal Flower. Oh, it's really pretty. I could build this up all day. It's such a pretty highlight. For under my brows, I'm going to go into the shade here from the Lawless The One Palette. This is a shade called Casual. I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm actually going to use a lip liner from Bite Beauty. This is in the shade 56, and just a little bit on my line. I don't think I want to bring a wing. Just a little bit on the top. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, I couldn't resist. A little bit of a wing. Do you guys remember Doug? Just gonna do a wee bit of Honest Beauty mascara. Eyelure eyelashes. Okay, lashes are on. I applied them with my True Glue Lash Glue. True Glue Lash Adhesive in the shade Black. They also have blue, I think they have blue and pink, and I think they even might have a purple, but it dries clear, which is really fascinating. So go check them out. Let's do some contouring. I'm going to go into my Everyday Minerals base in the shade Bronze 7N. For bronzer, I'm going to go into my Lawless Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Blazed. I remembered this time. For cheeks, I'm going to go into the Honest Beauty Cream Blush in Truly Charming. This is cute, kind of peachy shade. Oh yeah, she's pretty. I haven't worn this blush in a long time, but I get so many compliments on this blush whenever I wear it. So I'm going to have to wear her more again. For glow, I want to go into my, this is my RMS Peach Luminizer. She's a really pretty cream highlighter. She's so creamy, glowy, glossy. I think it's perfect for like a glass skin look. Can you see it? Yeah. She's just radiant. And you are too. You're radiant. Can you see her? Oh, there we go. Now you can see her. Uh-huh. Glow is just so juicy. She's gorgeous. To finish the look, I wanted to do something crazy. I'm going to go into my dark blue lipstick by Bite Beauty. It's called Squid Ink. It's just completely majestic and crazy and over the top, but I just wanted to use it. It's been sitting on my shelf and he hasn't been getting the same love that my other lipsticks have been getting, so I wanted to play fair. Alright, so with much concentration, I'm going to go into my lip liner in the shade 54 that they have to match Squid Ink. I believe Squid Ink might be discontinued, not sure, but you can check out and see if he's still there. Here we go with Squid Ink. A blue baby. Alright, there is Squid Ink. If you made it this far into the video, please comment below the musical of the day, The Phantom of the Opera. I didn't realize how much I would love that show because I had some preconceived notions in my head, but I absolutely fell in love with the 25th anniversary version with Sierra Boggess and Ramin Karimloo. An amazing cast with amazing cinematography. It's like you're there. It's even better, I think, than being in the audience because they had so many different cameras and they were able to capture so many different angles. It was kind of like sometimes you were on stage with the cast. It was so amazing. So please check that out. I think that you can rent it on Amazon. I rented a DVD from the library a while ago, but really an incredible cast and just amazing. And at the end of the DVD, you could watch the original Christine Daae, some of the original Phantoms sing at the end together. Really amazing production, so please go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave any video requests that you have below. Please do me a huge favor and share this video with any fellow sister that needs to be reminded of how gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, lovely, and worthy she is. And I will see you next Friday at noon. Bye!